Hello everyone, I am Hajira, Nakshathra 916 Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you different types of bangle models, Bombay bangles, different designs, beautiful designs, different patterns, rhodium finishing. Let's go to the video. And I am showing you very beautiful Bombay bangle, very beautiful design. You can see here small square and circle shapes are there inside, small circles and small square designs are there. Very beautiful rhodium finished bangle. Next one I am showing you very beautiful rhodium finished bangle, flower models, flower designs are there, small oval shapes, and green and red colors also there, pink colors also there. Rhodium finished bangle, all lightweight collections. Next one I am showing you very beautiful flower design bangle, Bombay bangle, very beautiful design. You can see here different colors are there, pink, white, rhodium finished. Next one I am showing you very beautiful flower design bangle. It's very beautiful flower design. You can see here rhodium finished bangle, very beautiful Bombay collection, lightweight collection. You can see here. This one is very beautiful wavy shape design, very beautifully designed Bombay bangle. You can see here very beautiful design. You can get only lightweight collections in Nakshathra. This one square design, very beautifully designed bangle, rhodium finished bangle, Bombay bangle. You can see here very beautifully designed. You can see the designs here, very beautiful design. Next one I am showing you different design, different pattern bangle. You can see here very beautiful design, lightweight collection. All lightweight collections you can get only in Nakshatra. Next one I am showing you very beautiful flower design and small waves designs also there, very beautifully designed. Rhodium finished bangle, Bombay bangle, very beautiful design, looks heavy. Another one I am showing you very beautifully designed heavy look bangle. You can see here 3 layer, very beautiful design, rhodium finished bangle. Next one I am showing you very beautiful flower design bangle. You can see here small flower designs also there, rhodium finished bangle. This one also very beautifully designed. All these items you can get only in Nakshatra. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our bangle collection, you can visit our shop Al-Nada 2, Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshatra Jewellery. If you want to watch more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. See you again in next video. Signing off, Hajira. Bye bye.